What are we in?
Let's see, this is the Occidental building or whatever, something like that. Or Occidental Plaza or whatever.
And we got an old late 70s, early 80s Dover. Oh, wow, this is, look how high the ceiling is. This is a nice one, listen.
This reminds me of the American Club elevators in Kohler, Wisconsin. That's what this reminds me of a lot. This is a nice one.
Check the phone box, please. Let the door close and start the motor.
All right.
This elevator is a testimony to Dover's expertise in hydraulics. Once the door shuts, wait till you hear this motor start up.
I'll let you set it up to 3.
It's got viscosity control.
Here we go, ready?
Does it have a number indicator?
No.
Just a bit. This is late 70s, early 80s. This is a nice one, Jason.
Down to 1.
Let me see if it does viscosity control up here.
That'd be funny.
Let's see what it does.
Probably gonna park at 1 and then turn on viscosity.
Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. It parks automatically. Let me see if it turns on viscosity control. We've run it up and down a few times, it shouldn't.
Yeah.
Listen to that, we're not moving.
Steps.
Look at this. We don't even have an MPE. Can I take the elevator and take the MPE?
Sure. Hear that? All right. Bye. This is an awesome elevator, though. This reminds me a lot of the elevators at the American Club in Kohler, Wisconsin. Just really nice like this.
There it is.
See that? I'm gonna send it up and we'll see if that indicator works.
Did you send it?
Yeah.
Listen to the motor. Nice dry power.
Nice. All right, that'll be it.